Now, back-to-back Mute Mile runner-up Legacy Isle made a winning seasonal debut by romping the feature event on Saturday's program at Caymanas Park. The Rohan Crichton-trained, American-bred 6-year-old bay horse Legacy Isle made an excellent start to his 2026 campaign with an impressive victory in the Reggae Trophy event over 5 furlongs straight. Legacy Isle, who was ridden by two-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, went off as the howling 1-5 favorite in the field of 6 graded stakes and open allowance contestants for the $1.75 million contest. He was pressed for the first half of the race by pack plays before dismissing the lineup with relative ease.
But Legacy Isle looks to be in charge on the run, passing the quarter pole. Radish Roman asking him for everything, and Legacy Isle now begins to turn the power on. It's Legacy Isle in complete command. Pack plays in the distance chasing, along with Money Market and Mighty Gully in the red cap under the stand fence. But this Legacy Isle is much too good. He's too strong. He's too powerful. And Legacy Isle is coming away to win the Reggae Trophy with ease by double digits possibly. Pack plays second. Another one running on for third. Close between Rainsville and Money Market for fourth.
Legacy Isle covered the trip in a nippy 57 1/5 of a second after splits of 23-1 and 45-1, winning by 10 3/4 lengths to earn 50 points towards qualification for December's 5th staging of the Mute Mile. The win closed out a double for Roman. Former champion jockey Dane Dawkins and trainer Oral Hayden also had 2 wins each on the program. Racing continues next Saturday.